the leaders in modern HVAC technology, featuring Daikin, Gree, Midea, Carrier, LG, and Mitsubishi Electric. Daikin, the global leader in HVAC, known for our quality-first philosophy. We're innovating with
Experience the future of comfort with the Midea 2025 AC Series, featuring the Santis Pro X RYL. Activate FlexiCool AI Mode 4. Maintain optimal humidity.
The company that invented modern air conditioning, Carrier remains a global leader in HVAC, introducing the new
Mitsubishi Electric provides high-efficiency air conditioning for residential and commercial units.
New our exclusive 3D sensor terminal.
Johnson Controls Hitachi Air Conditioning is a global joint venture, merging Hitachi's Japanese technology.
lineup features sustainable R454B refrigerant, true comfort.
Introducing the Yoshiki 5-Star Series, engineered for extreme heat.
Ignition.
The next generation of Panasonic Air, featuring Nano X purification and AI EcoNavi for energy savings.